Hello everybody and welcome to my class. One thing that I want to tell you is first off, who am I and why you should be listening to me. I have been selling on eBay for quite some time. In fact, from early 2000, that's when I got into eBay itself, and I found this is one of the best ways on the internet to make money fast. The thing is about eBay itself is that it's so easy to learn the interface, and once you learn it, it is a little bit harder for you to be able to be successful in the marketplace and get full-time money just coming in with selling on it. This is where I come in. I actually took a few classes when eBay used to have their own eBay Academy, and they promoted me to become an eBay trainer. With being an eBay trainer, I used to go and teach other people how to make money on eBay itself. Now, I'm not just somebody who actually just teaches people how to make money. This is something I do myself as well. And to tell you why I do this myself, I made a humongous amount of cash on eBay and I'm still making it. It's not like I'm just teaching you how to make money and I just stopped doing it, because this is something I like to do as well. I constantly find things, list them, and make profit almost every single week. And I want you to learn how to do it as well. So this is going to be just the beginner's guide for you. It's going to get your feet wet. It's going to teach you a few interesting tips and tricks how to get into eBay itself, how to do things that you probably never even knew that existed. And if you like this class and you totally enjoy it, you definitely want to sign up for the more advanced courses, because it's going to teach you even more information about how you can make money in many different kind of ways, in different kind of eBay niches as well. So see you in class, enjoy this course, and have a good day.